Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Casey. And today we want to share you with our hot sealing valve assembly. And if you're interested about our product, please follow me. Let's take a look. And firstly is the outside packages blue VCI valve spec right. And here this is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt brand. And the second is the product code F00VC01043. Actually, for this kind of logo, label, packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And then let's show you the inside. Wow, let's take a look for the inside. Its transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the transportation, and one layer of oil paper to wrap it up. Actually, each product we have the 6 months warranty time, so you have the quality guaranteed when you receive the packages. If you're not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange. Okay, let's take a look. And for this valve assembly, it's applicable for inject number is 04451110047, etc. And it's applicable for vehicle cars for BMW and OPEL. That's the valve cap there with the coating figures here, and that's the valve rod. Actually, if you want to clean the whole side of the valve assembly, please clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. Okay, that's all. So much for this one. At last, if you have more details you want to know, please send us by the comments or leave us by the messages. So much for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.